everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Sevestokleous, trading specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. Last week, the idea was for a buy on Pound USD pair with a potential target around the 1.28 price area. The price was not in line with the idea since it faced sufficient resistance in the 1.26400 area and has moved down since. Now for this week, we are looking at copper for a potential buy trade with a target of around the 9,000 price area or even higher to 9,100, which is also the previous high. The price has found sufficient support on the 38.2% of the daily Fibonacci retracement level and even open with a bullish gap in the latest session. The slower moving averages of the 20 and 50 days are both trading above the slower 100-day moving average, validating the overall bullish momentum in the market. The narrative behind this idea is mainly the strong publication of manufacturing PMI from the States earlier this week, which came out at 50.3 points against the expected 48.4. This puts commodity markets back in play since the publication of the PMI points to a recovery of the American economy, and commodity markets are rather sensitive to such signals. Also, if we take a look at the yields of the 10-year bonds, we will see that they spiked as a result of the bullish news for the dollar and boosted probabilities of interest rates remaining stable in June to 40% according to the FedWatch tool. In terms of economic data for this week that investors need to pay attention to are the services PMI from the States and the Federal Reserve Chairman's speech on Wednesday, the US job report on Friday, which includes the NFP and unemployment data for March. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is a buy on copper with a potential target around the 9,000 or even higher. The main narratives are the strong manufacturing data from the States, which puts commodity markets in focus for traders and investors, as well as the stronger yields of bonds that boosted probabilities for unchanged interest rates. The economic data that investors need to pay close attention to are the services PMI and Fed chair speech on Wednesday, and also the NFP and unemployment data on Friday. Remember, this is not a signal, it is just an idea for a trade. It's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.